Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will demonstrate you on how to make your mic sound like trash on mobile Android and iOS. So first of all you have to use a voice changer app. Voice changer. You have to search it on your Play Store or your App Store. Also you can search into the web browser you are using and search for a voice changer. So you have to choose a changer with effects or narrator's voice. Allow you to distort your voice with low quality filters. Look for settings like R static, broken mic or low quality to achieve a trashy sound to lower bit rate and sample rate. Some audio recording apps like Wave Editor, this one, let me show you. Wave. So some websites like Wave Editor are also Rackforge 2. This one, let me show you. Like this ones. Let you manually lower the bit rate and sample wave try setting. The bit rate you have to keep the bit rate to 32 kbs or lower and the sample rate to 8 kHz for a degraded sound. 3. You have to use audio glitch effects. Some editing apps like CapCut, GarageBand or Audiolab let you add distortion, crackle or reverb to make sure your mic sound broken. 4. Lock the mic. The fourth step is you have to lock the mic with tape or clothes. Cover your phone's microphone with a piece of fabric or even your finger to maple the sound. The fifth step is use a broken or cheap earphone in mic plug in an old or damaged headset with a bad mic. Some cheap earbuds have low quality mics that naturally sound bad while you are speaking. Now let's move forward to the sixth step, which is basically you have to talk from a distance or muffle your voice, like talk from far away or speak in an area with lots of background noise like a fan traffic or TV or a place with heavy reverb like bathroom or empty room. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring. Goodbye.